Today I'm going to show you brand for less online delivery. So I ordered some several stuff from online, okay, last Friday, and then they deliver it today, Saturday. So they are very fast and they are brand for less. So most of the stuff are basically from brands, okay. So either there are French brand, Turkish brands, Russian brands, American brands, and all of those, even Nike, Adidas, everything. So they are brand for less in Dubai. So you can get stuff for cheaper from brand for less. Okay. So before we get started with this mystery box, please make sure to click on the subscribe button for me. Thank you. So let's get started. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Come on. Look at that. One Gordian looking shoe. My goodness. I don't know what's inside, man, but I can assure you that the box is smooth, very, very smooth, and it looks oh, very, very slick. It's called the original Ben Shannon, Ben Sherman. So it's a brand Sherman. It's a French brand, I think. Holy, holy smoke! This is super. So I bought it to wear with my pant. So this is really nice. Let me try it out. I will show it to you. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. I'll show you. Yeah, see, it's perfect. Fantastic. It's in France. You can see it's a French brand. All right, I'm happy. So that one is mine. It's not my wife. See, so sport is like leather. This is like cloth. This is spongy a little bit, but there it's hard. Probably I'll have a little bit trouble. But grip, oh my goodness, it has pretty good, decent grip. Okay, and the sponge, fantastic. It's one of the best. Here is the sign. It's a Ben Shannon. It's a nice thing. Nice show. I like it. Okay, so that's it. Packaging is nice. See, this looks gorgeous. It looks decent. So that is for Ben for less. It's fit perfectly for me. I have my wife's shoes now, so probably she will try it out. I hope it fits for. It fits in. Oh my! Oh my goodness! It's called Dezbao. It's in Russian also. Oh yeah, sorry, Dezbao. I'm wrong. It's a Dezbao. Holy smoke! It's intricate details in every place. It's like smoke. This is for brand for less. This is brand for less. Holy smoke! It's oh my goodness! It's smooth. My wife is already like signaling me to give it to her. She is behind the camera. She's liking it already. So see, it's a golden thingy. This part is my goodness. This is very cheap. I will tell you. Okay, there you go for you, lady. Try it out. See if it is fit or not. Perfect. My goodness. Can I show you legs only? The foot to my viewers. Just the foot. Bring the foot this way. Just to like this way. No, not this way. Just bring the foot in front. Yes, it looks nice. Okay, thank you. Okay, my lady, here you go. This is yours. Congratulations. All of the goodies are here. Okay, so here you go, my lady. There's another pair. This is a casual shoe for my wife. Oh my goodness, it's smooth. Fantastic. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine this? Oh no, man. It's like I have seen this in Singapore. The ladies were wearing this one. I was planning to buy one for my wife, but I didn't get the time to buy this one. But here I got the time, and it's superb. It's superb. It's fantastic. Okay, so so $25. $25. It is superb. This is superb. Smooth. It's good. It's fantastic. Flexy. Flexy. Smooth. Its name is False Creek, and you can adjust it. Looks like fantastic. Okay, my lady, please try it out. Just to see is it fit or no. Perfect. Yes, it's perfect. Okay, can I show it to the people, please? Holy smoke! Thank you. That's it. Good. And this one is mine. So as I got a casual, formal kind of sleeper. I got a. This is also from brand. It's called Denmark. Selected from Denmark. This is from Denmark. So that should be good. Let me check. Okay, it's a little bit like yeah, it's okay. It looks like a little bit. I have to shorten it. Probably what I will do, like nowadays people does this, right? And this looks nicer. So probably I'll do this. Okay, guys, that's it from Band for Less. And this is the first time we bought it, and we have a very good experience. Probably next time we'll cut it. We'll try to get more. It was cheaper as all of those things. We just bought it around like we paid in online around like 150, and then in cash it was like 136. So overall it was like $300, 300 dirham. So like $100, all of those. Okay, that's it, people. So that's all I have for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I really need your help. Take care. Bye bye.